In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Eventbrite Events widget on a Shopify page. By the end, you'll have your Eventbrite events displayed right on a Shopify page, so visitors can browse and register without leaving your store. Start by copying your free Eventbrite Events widget embed code. This is the block of HTML and JavaScript provided by Eventbrite. Make sure you highlight and copy the entire snippet. Every character matters. If even a small part is missing, the widget may not render correctly. Keep that code on your clipboard. We'll paste it in just a moment. Now, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand sidebar, click Online Store to open your storefront tools. Then click Pages to access your page manager. You'll be working in the page editor where the widget should appear for your customers. Once you're in the page details view for the page you want to use, switch the editor to HTML mode by clicking the Show HTML icon. It looks like a pair of angle brackets, the less than and greater than symbols. This changes the editor from the visual view to the code view, which is exactly where embed codes belong. With the editor in HTML mode, paste the Eventbrite embed code exactly as you copied it. Don't add extra formatting, spacing, or text around it, and avoid switching back to the visual editor before saving, as that can sometimes alter the code. When you're confident the code is in place, click the Save button to apply the changes to your page. To confirm everything is working, click the View Page button. This opens your live page so you can see the widget as visitors will. Give it a moment to load. Embedded widgets may take a few seconds to appear. You should see your Eventbrite events listed with the interactive features provided by the widget. If the widget doesn't display right away, double-check that you pasted the code in HTML mode and that nothing was truncated. Some browser extensions can block third-party scripts, so if needed, test in a private window or temporarily pause blocking extensions to verify. Also, remember that themes and pages can cache content. A quick refresh usually helps. And that's it. You copied your Eventbrite Events widget embed code, logged into Shopify, navigated to Online Store and Pages, switched to HTML, pasted the code, saved your changes, and viewed the page to confirm everything looks good. With this in place, your customers can explore and register for events seamlessly